Image, here's a detailed overview of the key features of the Toyota Vellfire available in India. If you'd like, I can pull in full spec sheet, dimensions, performance, variant-wise too. Standout features. Powertrain and performance. The Vellfire is powered by a 2.5-liter petrol hybrid engine, 2,487 cc, paired with an eCVT automatic transmission. Car deco, maximum power of approximately 190 bhp and torque around 240 Nm. Smart Pricks, mileage ARI in India is claimed in the region of 16 to 19 km per hour, depending on drive cycles. Car Whale, luxury and comfort. The cabin is highly premium. Genuine leather seats, memory function seats, dual-tone dashboard with leather finish and wood inserts. Toyota Bharat, for the second row, Ottoman-style powered seats, particularly in the VIP variant, which allow extended leg support and added comfort. Car deco, dual sunroof, panoramic or large sunroofs, enhancing luxury feel. Toyota Bharat, large infotainment display, a newly developed 14-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and a premium sound system, for example, 15-speaker JBL in India market. Toyota Bharat, tash exterior and style. Bold and distinctive styling, large chrome accented front grille, sleek LED headlamps, 3-lens LED, large alloy wheels, 19 years, and a strong road presence. Toyota Bharat, sliding rear power doors in most markets, which is a useful feature for a luxury MPV. Available in premium color options such as platinum white pearl, precious metal, jet black, etc. Car deco, safety and technology. Equipped with multiple airbags, 6 SRS airbags, ABS with EBD and BA, vehicle stability control, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. EcoDrive, advanced driver assistance, features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, pre-collision safety system, and other ADAS features. Smart Pricks, connectivity and convenience features, heads-up display, HUD, wireless charging, large infotainment screen, multiple parking sensors and cameras. Smart Pricks, practical and space, seating capacity, 7-seater configuration, typically 2 front seats, 2 captain chairs in second row, third row bench or captain depending on variant. In India, car deco, wheelbase around 3,000 millimeters, which provides good interior space, especially for second row occupants. Car deco, boot luggage space, though exact number may vary by variant. The MPV format gives good room for family or chauffeur-driven luxury usage. EcoDrive, why it stands out. The Vellfire brings together premium luxury, advanced technology, and spacious MPV utility. For those looking for comfort, especially in second row, high-end features, and a prestige presence, this is a very strong offering. In the Indian context, it offers a different value proposition compared to large luxury SUVs. For example, greater comfort for rear passengers, sliding doors, more MPV-style practicality. The hybrid powertrain adds a bit of eco-smooth drive edge compared to conventional large petrol engines. Things to consider. Price is high. In India, the Vellfire is priced in the range of approx 1.20 crore to 1.30 plus crore, ex-showroom, for the variants mentioned. Smart Pricks, for chauffeur-driven usage, it makes a lot of sense. For self-driving, maybe some may prefer SUV styles with higher driver engagement. Being an imported upper-segment vehicle, maintenance, service, parts cost may be higher than mainstream models. Depending on variant and local market, waiting period may be long. Car Whale, if you like, I can pull the full detailed spec sheet for India, engine specs, dimensions, variants, feature list, and compare it with a competitor, e.g. the Lexus LM or large luxury SUV, so you can see which suits you better. Would that be useful?